The video went fast, so I'm gonna slow this down a little bit for you. The first step that you are going to do is get a piece of the pre-cut paper and an ebony pencil. You're gonna fold your paper in half twice. 1, 2. And you are going to draw 5 to 8 shapes in one of these areas. Shapes, 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 not lines. So one, 2, 3. I do kind of want a line though. 4, I'll make it a shape by doing that. 5, you'll see what I mean. 6, 7, okay? Then I am going to take this and fold it either this way or this way with this side up. I'm going to take the back of my pencil and rub. You are making a pressure rubbing, just like with the styrofoam prints when we traced over our stencil, it pushed down the styrofoam. You did a pressure, you're making pressure lines. This is a pressure rubbing. Okay, so now I see those, I'm going to trace over them. You're gonna say, Mrs. Chartle, you said you can't do lines. These lines turned into a shape because I did 2 of them. If it was just one, it would have been just a line. And for the purposes of demonstration, I'm going to put something in there. Now I'm gonna take this, fold it over. Open it up. As long as I can see what I'm doing, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's obviously not going to be perfect. Oops. Kind of looks like I have a watermelon. All right, your name is going to go on the back of this before we leave. Because you are going to want to hang on to this. Once you are done with this step, then you are going to go over and get yourself a piece of linoleum. You are going to put your name on this edge of the linoleum. You are going to use one side and somebody else is going to use the opposite side. Somebody else in a different class, I should say. So put your name on the edge with an ultra fine point Sharpie marker. And your class code. Okay. Then you're gonna take this guy that you just made, set it on top. Rub, 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 rub. Don't pick your paper up while you're rubbing. Okay? In the video, I said to go over it with an ultra fine point Sharpie marker. You don't need to do that. You're just going to take your ebony pencil once again and trace over everything. I stopped the video where it started talking about space. Tomorrow we are going to mark out or map out where we are going to make our cuts, and then we're going to talk about carving tool safety. So I would love for us to have this done by the end of class today.